Big breaking news that's coming in. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to be holding a meeting with the Education Minister, the Secretary and other officials to be discussing the CBSE board exams. That meeting is expected to begin in about 45 minutes from now at 12 p.m. There's going to be a detailed discussion between these officials and the Prime Minister on the issue of CBSE board exams. Amid a growing chorus that the exams be called off because of the surge in coronavirus cases. Is that something we're going to be seeing a decision on? Remains to be seen. But there is a crucial meeting that will be happening at 12 p.m. with Prime Minister Narendra Modi chairing the meeting with the Education Minister, the Secretary and other top officials. Rahul Srivastava is joining us with more details on this. Rahul, perhaps a rethink by the centre, keeping in mind the current situation. There perhaps could be a decision of whether the board exams will go on as scheduled or whether it's going to be cancelled, as there's a growing chorus for the same.
Akshata, within the Education Ministry and between the Education Ministry and the CBSE, the officials have been holding talks over the issue of shifting the dates as far as the CBSE Class 10 and 12 board exams are concerned due to the second surge in COVID-19. Now, what some sources are saying that it seems difficult to conduct CBSE Class 10, 12 board exams at this time when the cases are going up and the vaccination drive could get derailed, primarily if a lot of medical resources are repurposed for battling the new cases surge which is coming. And that is why, since it's a very critical decision, that CBSE exams are perhaps the turning point as far as the career of students of class 10 and 12 is concerned. The decision is likely to be taken at the top office, that is the Prime Minister's office. Now, that is why the Prime Minister will be meeting the Education Minister, CBSE officials and officials of the Education Ministry. And perhaps from there, the Prime Minister, who recently had a session with students, Exam Ki Baat, will be eventually taking a decision, but it seems that the government will have to take a final decision as soon as possible because the dates are varying.
All right, I will see what kind of a decision is taken. What is the outcome of this meeting at 12 p.m. Rahul, thank you very much for joining us. The Prime Minister will be meeting with the Education Minister, other top officials. They'll be coming together to discuss what exactly needs to be done on the issue of CBSE board exams. And this has been an issue that we've touched upon here on India Today for the last few days. Worried students, parents have all expressed concern over the CBSE board exams happening during a second COVID wave. 30 lakh students' fate hangs in the balance. There are questions about whether holding CBSE board exams offline could turn into a super spreader.
For nearly 30 lakh students, these are uncertain times. An unprecedented health crisis has cast a shadow on their futures. With the second coronavirus wave sweeping through the country, chorus is growing for board exams to be cancelled.
6 लाख बच्चे दिल्ली में CBSE के एग्ज़ाम में बैठेंगे। 1 लाख के करीब टीचर्स इसमें शामिल होंगे। ये बहुत बड़े हॉटस्पॉट्स बन सकते हैं। बच्चों की ज़िंदगी, बच्चों की सेहत, बच्चों का स्वास्थ्य हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है। मेरी हाथ जोड़ के केंद्र सरकार से अपील है कि CBSE के एग्ज़ाम्स को कैंसिल किया जाए।
16-year-old Aryan is preparing for the test of his life. A student of GD Goenka School in Delhi, he's studying for Class 10 CBSE exams that are scheduled to be held offline from May 4th.
I'm surely conflicted about giving the exams offline after this new strain has come out, and it is like a matter of conflict, because obviously it is a very risky environment around people you don't know and you know. And as we know that social distancing is hard to maintain between the students. So in that environment, it is very risky to give the exams offline.
Parents, though, are divided. While some want exams to be held online, others want the boards to be cancelled completely.
My only concern is, what if something happens? What if something happens during the examination time? We are not sure about anything. So naturally, totally anxious. What is going to happen? Because this is a career year. The year will get wasted. As a parent, it's really difficult.
how many tests are you going to get done? If there are 6 papers to be taken by the student, are they going to take 6 tests over there? I think they should really focus on the online system. That is going to be the most secured way. Otherwise, that is really going to be very stressful for not only the parents, but what we are more concerned about is basically our children, like, you know.
While there is no word yet from the HRD Ministry or the CBSE, the board's exam controller told India Today that all precautions are being taken for offline exams.
Now, crowd will be also less during the examination because of the number of increase of examination center. Now we are having a lesser number of students allotted to one school.
But will the exams be called off given the mass explosion of infections?
Is there a possibility that exams are going to be postponed?
साहु सर इसको जवाब को मैं कुछ है ना क्रिकेट टीम की तरीके से देना चाहूंगा पाकिस्तान की इंशाल्लाह हम सब कुछ ठीक करेंगे.
For now, looks like the exams are not being postponed or cancelled. But is it worth putting the lives of millions of children at risk?
Well, definitely not just the students, but the parents. Both are worried at this point of time because there's double pressure. Not just the performance, but also the fact that you have to stay safe from COVID-19. For now, parents request that an online examination seems to be a viable option, but the question is that will the infrastructure be strong enough to conduct examinations throughout the country for CBSE students. With Ashwini Helen, this is Milan Sharma for India.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.